Program number 13. Write a program to create a series object using an AND array that is created by tiling a list 135 twice. Means this list you have to display in the 2 times. Twice means 2 times. And you create a series using AND array. So first we will import numpy, otherwise pandas. So now I am importing numpy first. Import numpy as np. Now import pandas as pd. Now we will take tile function. Tile functions is available in the numpy. So n13 equal to np dot tile. Tile function is used for repeating the list or statement, we can say that. So here has given in the list. Anything if you want to repeat it, that times tile functions will use it in the AND array. Comma 2. How many times you have to repeat it? 2. So this is first values we will write. Okay, data, and then afterwards how many types, that one afterwards comma, then write down. Now this is the tile functions. Now we have to convert into series this numpy. So s13 equal to pd dot series. What will write? n13. Done. Now print command. In the print command write s13. Done. Now run. Oh, import pandas. P is okay. Here in I have written, not in, this is import. See, repeated 135, then 135. If you will write 5 times, chalo 4 times. Done.